What's up, everybody? So it's Designer Head coming back at you. Tech review this time. You know, you've seen the title, you know what it is. Let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I got the iPad Pro. I ended up going with the 11. I did go to the store personally, and you know, it just felt a little. It felt a little too big. The 12.9 did, in my opinion. It wasn't too much bigger, but it was subtle difference that made me feel like it wasn't as compact, portable for my daily routine. I'm gonna be trying to use this as like a photo editor, a video editor. Check out Adobe and all the great other programs that people have been talking about. So as you can see, I got the smart keyboard, I got the Apple Pencil, and the iPad. I'll start off with unboxing the iPad itself, because obviously that's what everybody wants to see. I'll get a little bit closer so you can get to see it. Apple did a great job, as everybody, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys have been watching all these unboxing videos. If you're a fanboy, maybe even if you're not, maybe if you're just trying to get into the actual, what they want to call the new laptop, and that's what I'm going for. I want to see, or you know, desktop, whatever. I want to see if this can replace my iMac back there, and we're gonna put it to the test, and I'm gonna see after a couple weeks, months, see how it's going. I did get the 256 version Wi-Fi. You know, I'm always around Wi-Fi, and if I'm not, then I have hotspot. It's always, it'll work for me. So without further ado, let's open this for the first time. I really wanted the space gray, but you know, I always got space gray, and I don't know, I kind of did like the way the silver looks. So yeah, here we go. Bear with me, guys, I am one-handed. So as you can tell, it's always an awesome experience with Apple. They always do really good with their packaging. I never complain with that. There's a beautiful iPad itself in all its glory. Like I said, they've been doing really good with presentation, unboxing experience, and wow, just look at that. That thing it's nice, man, and it feels good. It feels good in the hand, and that's what everyone's been, you know, ranting about. This is the first iPad that I kind of decided to go with. You got the speaker grill there. You also have another matching speaker grill there. I've heard they're pretty good, so we'll just put that aside for now. In the box we have of course, manuals and a good size sticker from what I've seen. Charger, which is now USB-C, if I am correct. Pretty sure I am. If I'm not, I'd love to be corrected. And yeah, looks like it. New adapter. So we'll go ahead and kind of do the first turn. You know, turn this puppy on. Also got the Apple Pencil. So yeah, let's go into the Apple Pencil again. Awesome job with the packaging. They always do great. I mean, and, oh, it was supposed to completely come off. It didn't, but here we go. It's alright, Apple. I forgive you, I know. Pencil. It's the version 2, so there you go. 11-inch. Jeez. There we go. 11 inches, 12.9 inches. Anyways, but yeah, I'm trying to open this guy for you. It's weird. I see the tab. Yeah, they couldn't have made it easier. Like I said, Apple always doing a great job. Nice pull tab. Really nice. As you can see, always designed by Apple in California. And you pull it out. Of course, pencil logo. Sure, there might be a little sticker, or there might not be, and the pencil itself. So that's that there. And then we also got the keyboard. which I think it's really neat. I think, you know, the design of it is pretty flawless. I can't complain about it. So this is the keyboard folio, as you could probably tell. Again, with the really nice packaging. It has that pull tab so you can just lift it away. Feels heavy, and that's good. That's good. It's not heavy where it's uncomfortable, but heavy to where you know that it's quality. Take that piece of trash out. And here's the keyboard itself. Very pristine, very nice, very nice. I can dig it. Camera hole, nothing special. I won't hold y'all up. So yeah, but back to the iPad. Of course, the traditional unboxing. Always very satisfying to peel that off. And Apple's always done a great job. Pull it out. Wow. This thing is pristine. I mean, wow. I was also second guessing how I should have gone with the space gray, but this thing is nice. Oh, wow. I'm very happy. So we got the power going. We'll see how that goes. So here I have a 4K video playing. Just kind of a demonstration to show you guys how, you know, vibrant this screen really is. I mean, look at the colors. Truly one of the better iPad screens I've seen. Like I said, it really intrigued me to get one, so we'll check back in about a week. So there it is, guys. You know, that was just kind of a little unboxing. I'm kind of using the new iPad here to kind of get this last footage here because I kind of wanted to throw it in before I finished the video. But so I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do the whole video. I didn't edit the whole video on here because I'm using the iPad to record this last message. But it was actually pretty simple. It's actually pretty fun. You know, we'll see how it goes. But so far, thumbs up from me. Just want to say thank you, everybody. Hit the like, hit the sub, and I'll be seeing you around. Deuces.